Umentri katana disaster management uba Kyrmen Shilla skining konja kateo ulaythu bon saploin ka jelang banya kran halor ka Jingkieng dam kabla day banyo thamai no yakani umentri ula Shimkhia hadien bakaliang persha na kapor kla wanra khmat bar kran halor ka Jingsen George ka Jingkieng dam kabalada omle ei kloy kan long ka jingma ya ka jallahi brokaway.
For this, I believe that especially the department who are looking for that bridge, they do have this testing and maybe hopefully they have reports also for that. Otherwise, it should not be so careless that without testing the lifespan of that bridge. Otherwise, if has been mentioned by you that the lifespan of that bridge is over now, so that means it's not feasible for any vehicle to travel. So since we have witnessed that vehicle is still traveling, that means there's some kind of report has been conducting that which shows that crossing over the bridge is still applicable. So I believe that is.
So will you have a review meeting in view of this? Will you have a review meeting with all the inline departments like PWD roads and?
Yeah, if required, we can have that also.
No, it is required right now because.
No, first we have to ask what step has been taken as of now from different concerned department who are looking after the bridge. If we feel that what is the report conducting based on that is very much alert, so I think we need to have that. So first we